Hi everyone, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 8P, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and scroll down in order to find the accounts. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on Add Account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so you just can connect to the Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on Next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, we can tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, we can remove it whenever we want to, just by tapping on it and tapping on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again and wait a second. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears, so it means that we just successfully removed it from this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.